What the hell is TravelClast? It's a travel show with morons.
You might want to look out.
We may not be the brightest, the safest, or have the best taste, or any taste for that matter, but damn it, we love travel. It's a show where we meet new friends, eat great food,
That's good.
It tastes like a sock.
Oh, he hates it.
give great advice,
Don't go to Brussels.
and have a few drinks. Maybe too many. Lame. Another travel vlog? You're not gonna see any of this stuff. No reaching for imaginary girlfriends. No majestic as hell cliff shots. No sponsored content. Seriously, no one will sponsor us. What you are gonna see is this. Drones through shit. Drones over shit. Canoeing. Skating. Tattooing. Diving. Sharks. Horse racing. Buffalo racing. Boat racing. Drugs. Yoga. Young peeps. Old peeps. Atomic drinks. Epic spas. Epic meals. Tacos. Shredding. Dancing. Pearl farming. Horn blowing. Birds. Bears. Turtles.
I like turtles.
Giant dicks, chocolate dicks, lots of smiles, lots of music, a surprising amount of petanque, top spinning, people spinning, pineapples, lays, haze, and lots of waves as we chase a travel dragon across the 7 continents.
And practice free speech.
And we're putting up a new video each day. Try that, Nas Daily. Wait. Seriously, a new video each day. I think we might be sick. I think you had enough, dear. Welcome to TravelClast. Sorry.